Hi everyone, Maria is here. Welcome back to my channel, IELTSBand 9. Today's lesson is about verbals. Verbals are absolutely practical in writing and speaking. In order to get Band 8 and Band 9 in IELTS, you must have verbals. Let's begin. I'm going to share my screen with you, then you will see how exactly the verbals are practical. One of those verbal skills are considered as gerund. Gerund is the verb plus the ing form, which is by nature a noun that you place it either as a subject of the sentence or the object of a sentence. In this case, if I say committing to crime violates the community's right, committing is a verbal or a gerund. In IELTS speaking and IELTS writing, variety of the structure will help the students to have Band 9 in IELTS writing as well as IELTS speaking. Gerund at the beginning is verbal and is one of those techniques. The second technique is considered as infinitive. Infinitives at the beginning of a sentence or considered as the object are practical and will give the benefit to the students to have those verbals in speech and the variety of the structure. For example, to be able to come back top the society and live normally, criminals must pay back by doing extensive community works. In this case, to be able is the infinitive at the beginning of a sentence. You must use gerund and then the next time infinitive. So try to use variety of the structure. The next practice of verbal is considered participles. Participles, we can have them perfect participle, like having worked. For example, having worked in the community will definitely teach criminals few lessons in order to be able to come back to normal living. Also, you can use the past participle at the beginning. For example, lived in the poverty, criminals are prone to commit in robberies. It is very important to have verbals in IELTS Band 9 speaking and IELTS Band 9 writing. If you have verbals in your IELTS writing as well as your speaking practice, you definitely ace your IELTS test. Welcome to my channel once again, and I'll see you next session.